Hello. If you develop, you don't want to create formula which will break in some time and you will lose your reports and you will spend much time to figuring out what was wrong because you have lots of formulas in your report. So here is a trick for making your filter formula more reliable, but you also can repeat this technique for other formulas too. Here is a small data sample, and we need to grab name and age when agreed is true. Your actual data will look much bigger. You won't see all the data on one screen. So, of course, you need to filter to see what's happening there and maybe to create some other reports. So, to do this, you just click and create this enter sign. Next filter, hit tab to autocomplete, select range you want and select the condition, agreed equals true. Yes, and nice. And next, as agreed is a true-false column, we also can get rid of this extra equals true condition and make it even shorter. So select me A, B when C looks great, but it's not reliable. Let's see what may happen. First of all, something like this may happen. A new column will come and you will get bad data. You may rely on this column G, which contained numbers of age. You could create like average age of people who agreed or something else. But now you cannot do that because you have extra column here. Let me Control Z. And let's see how we can fix that. We can create an array A through B, and that's the trick. So you just create an array, but not only this, but step 2 will be you need to also separate each column. So you say column A, next column B, and etc. And now you get rid of all this error number 1. You see, when I add a column, nothing bad happens. This formula became much more reliable. But our user, or even you in the future, could forget about one thing and create new row here with totals and print something like totals here and count if how much of them are true. 3. So we had 3 people who agreed. You change something, you get the result, but your filter also has these totals here, which is not desired output. How to get rid of these extra totals and how to make your formula more reliable? Just do this, add number of row. So it's semi-opened range. 1 and beginning of this range is closed, A3, closed to cell A3. And second is open. A doesn't say A5 or A25 or A5000, so it's open. It goes to the end of your spreadsheet, of your sheet. And that's the deal. Now your formula became better because when I insert row above and type any number there or anything or truth which may consider it as true, you don't get this error anymore. So your formula becomes more stable and more reliable. Thank you for watching, and please comment, please create a comment and share your ideas which formulas also become more reliable, more stable if you use this array, these curly brackets.